Good morning everyone. Today's video is about the importance of water and how it affects our lives. This video is compiled by Robert Young. Water is the colorless, transparent, odorless liquid and forms the seas, lakes, rivers and rain, and is the basis of liquid of living organism. Henry Cavendish, 1731 to 1810, discovered the composition of water when he experimented with hydrogen and oxygen. He mixed these elements together to create an explosion known as the oxyhydrogen effect. While Earth as a whole may never run out of water, clean fresh water is not always available where and when we need it. In fact, half of the world's fresh water can be found in not many countries. More than 1 billion people live without enough safe, clean water. Why water is so important? The presence of water on Earth is essential for the development and sustenance of life. Water is important because it is the basis of all forms of life, and without this valuable resource, the earth would not exist. The daily life itself and conduct of the simplest actions require the use of water. Just think of the use made of it in the field of agriculture and industry. In the following clips, I shall present to you some of the reasons why water is so important. Here are a few reasons why water is so important. Number 1. Water keeps your organs healthy. Water is necessary for life. Our organs need water to work properly. The brain, which is about 75% water, gets oxygen from water. When hydrated, the brain stays clear. Your kidneys, responsible for detoxing the body, need water to remove toxins through urine. All your organs need water, and with strong, healthy organs, you can enjoy a good life. Number 2. Water prevents fatigue. Fatigue is one of the first signs of dehydration. We lose water through urine, sweat, and breathing. And if we don't replenish, our body starts to slow down. It is essential to have the energy to complete work and other daily tasks. If you are fatigued, you can't be productive, which can lead to a loss in income. It also makes activities like driving more dangerous. Number 3. Water is necessary for growing food and raising animals. Food is grown with water. To produce enough food for communities and countries, a lot of water is needed for irrigation, crop cooling, frost control, and more. It is very devastating for areas suffering from drought. Water is also needed for livestock husbandry and fisheries. Animals need water to live too. It is also needed to produce food that animals eat. If we want to have meat in large quantities, do not ignore the significance of water. Number 4. Water produces energy. Thermoelectric or thermal plants need water to produce energy. In these plants, the steam produced by boiling water generates electricity. Hydroelectric power plants use the energy generated from moving water. Fuel extraction and production need water too. Refining natural gas, oil, and uranium also need huge amounts of water. Without the energy made possible by water, entire cities would fall off the grid. Number 5. Water is an important part of many medical procedures. Besides using distilled water to clean equipment, water is necessary for procedures like hemodialysis. Kidney patients need this treatment to remove toxins from the body. Known as dialysate, the fluid in the dialysis machine is essential for cleaning a patient's blood and removing waste. The water used must meet the strict criteria. Water is also used in the manufacturing and processing of many medications. Number 6. Safe water is a human right. Last but not least, water is a human right. All humans have the right to life, and life requires safe water. Unfortunately, social inequalities threaten that very right. Consequences of unsafe water, like disease, keep people trapped in cycles of poverty. When clean water access is recognized as a human right, people's lives change for the better. We hope that after viewing this video, we all have a much better understanding of the importance of water and why it has such an important role in our lives. Thank you very much. We shall meet again another time. Take care. Goodbye.